Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies notification from the two colleges. So one is the government college and second one is a private university. And here the opportunities are there for the PG and non-UG Senate and the UG Senate candidates. And whatever the permanent assistant professor category is there, that is a level 10 category. So the salary might be in between 57,700 to 1,80,400 rupees per month. So let us see the details regarding this notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UG Senate Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UG Senate Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here the first government college is IIFPT, Recruitment of Faculty Positions, dated 29th November 2020. And here the detailed notification, you can click on this one. Here I am going to show you the notification at a glance that you can check down here. In Tamil Nadu, it is recruitment of faculty positions in Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology. So applications are invited from bright, dynamic and highly motivated candidates for the following faculty positions at IIFPT, Tanjavur on direct recruitment basis. So here the name of the post is given and the number of the post, pay level and the category. So while coming to the name of the post, that is a professor, food processing and agriculture process engineering, biotechnology, and in the associate professor, food process, agriculture process engineering, and coming to the assistant professor, food process, agricultural process engineering, and the agricultural entomology. So here the number of posts are also mentioned, and the online application starts from 2nd December 2020. And the last date for receipt of application for all the posts is 45 days from the date of publication of above employment notification in the employment news. So for the further details, you may check in the official website, and I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you belongs to any one of these departments, then you may go through that link, whatever I am providing in the description box of this video, then you will come to know the in details. Okay, so it is a more details that they kept here regarding this advertisement. So first one is a professor, total 5 posts are there, and in biochemistry 1 post, and the associate professor 1 post, and coming to the assistant professor 1 here. So agricultural entomology, essential qualification is master's degree in agricultural entomology, and the age limit for the assistant professor is not exceeding 32 and 35 years. In case of PhD holders, there is no maximum age limit for the IIFPT employees. Okay, so it is a notification. And the next, while coming to the second college, the name itself is the University of Technology. So in this college, here you can check down the departments. Okay, whatever this college is providing the department. So if you belongs to any one of these departments, whatever I am going to show you right now, if you are having the PG with UG Senate or without UG Senate or the PhD, then you can apply to this post. So veterinary science, and next one is the Department of Pharmacy, Education, Alternative Therapy, and the School of Telecom, and the School of Religion, and the School of Nanotechnology, and the Humanities, Social Science and Fine Arts. Here you can check down that Hindi, Sanskrit, English, and Sociology. So public administration, history, geography, all these posts are there. And coming to the journalism and film technology, science, design, medicine and health, planning and architecture, agriculture, computer applications, engineering and technology, law and management. So if you belongs to any one of these departments, okay, then here in this college, University of Technology, in the careers blog, click on the assistant professor or lecturers, then you will be directed to this one, and eligibility as per the UGC or AICTE norms and regulations. And if you want to apply, then click on this apply now, and then you will be directed to submit the details. Okay, your name, email ID, mobile, city, state, and cover letter, and then your resume. After uploading your resume, then click on the submit. Okay, so based upon their selection procedure, they are going to call you for the interview process. Okay, so these are the two colleges that I want to mention you regarding the assistant professor as well as a professor, associate professor, and the lecturer vacancies. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so So it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine guys, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions, and all the best guys. Thank you very much.